So I'll be showing you how to turn off location services on your iPhone. Now I'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16 for this tutorial, but these instructions should work for pretty much any other iPhone. Go to settings, on the main settings page, there we are. On the main settings page, scroll down to privacy and security, tap on that. At the top of the privacy and security page, you should see location services. Now, if you tap on that, then you have a toggle button for location services. This button will turn off location services for all apps. Now, there might be a few iPhone services that still use location services, like maybe if you enable Find My iPhone app, it might still use your location. But as far as the apps that come pre-installed and the ones you installed on your phone, the location services are completely turned off. Now, this is a little unrealistic to turn off location services for all apps, because to use some apps like Google Maps or like Apple Maps, the weather app, most of these apps require your location to be able to work properly. So what you can do is turn on location services, and then you can turn off location services for specific applications. So for instance, you can go to an app like this one and then choose never under allow location access, so that app never you're basically turning off location services for that specific app. And you can go ahead and do that for individual applications. So for instance, if you go to the reminders app, you can turn off by selecting never and then go back, and you can go and do that for all apps you don't need accessing your location services. So basically turn off location services for specific apps. Again, to turn off location services for all apps, that's the button to tap on, turn it off, and then confirm you want to turn off. And that is how you turn off or disable location services on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.